Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and I am excited to team up with Bodomint for a review and packing video for their beautiful Joni backpack. If you're new to Bodomint, this is a mom-owned business, and with every purchase that is made on their website, a portion of that is donated to Postpartum Support International. And I'll be leaving a link to their website in the description below so you can check out all of what they have to offer. So this is the Joni backpack and I have it here in the camel color. It also comes available in black. And as you saw in the on the body portion of this video, this bag can be worn a few different ways. You can wear it as a traditional backpack. You can use it with just the grab handle. You can also wear it crossbody and over the shoulder with the included messenger strap. And if you have the sold separately messenger strap, you can use that too. And I have mine here in the boho strap in coral. It's super pretty and I really like this strap. And I think it looks great with the camel color. And as a lot of you guys know, I love convertible bags because they're so versatile. And I can see this bag being great for travel, used as a diaper bag, and even as a work backpack. So let's go over the outside first. The Joni backpack is 14 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. So it's actually a pretty decent sized little bag, but it's not huge or anything. I feel like it's more of a mid-sized backpack, but it still holds quite a bit, so I really like that. This bag is made of a high quality vegan leather, so if you get a spill on it or it's rainy, it just wipes clean, which is great. This bag also has a lot of great pockets on the outside and on the inside. You have 2 bottle pockets, one on each side here. They are not elastic, they are just open pockets. As you can see, it holds quite a bit. There's no Velcro or snaps or magnets on these pockets. They're just open, so you can easily pull your things in and out. The front here, you have one zippered pocket across the very front. There's no organization in this pocket, it's just open, which means you can organize it however you want. The front here, you have a double zipper opening that goes about halfway down the bag, maybe a little bit more than halfway down the bag here, so you can easily access your things. You also have D-rings, one on each side of the bag, so you can hook your messenger strap to it, or you can use it if you have stroller clips on a stroller. So this makes an excellent stroller bag because of the way it opens up. In the very back, you actually have a lot going on. And as I mentioned, I really do love convertible bags because they're just really fun to review, first of all, but second of all, I love being able to use them however I want, whenever the situation calls for a certain way to wear a bag. So if you're, let's say, baby wearing on the front, you can backpack carry this bag. And as you can see, currently I have this set as my messenger shoulder bag. So I have the strap here, but this bag also comes with this really pretty vegan leather strap as well. So you can use this, or you can use a sold separately messenger strap like I have. So what I like about this bag is if you are using it as a messenger style bag or you just want to use the grab handle, you can tuck your backpack straps away inside this back pocket here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them out, but this does have a snap closure on the very back here. It's actually a magnetic snap. So it's pretty strong, but it also just secures your things a little bit better. So these are the straps. They're pretty adjustable as well, so you can get that perfect fit. You just have these lobster claw type of clips. It's super easy to just convert this bag into a backpack whenever you want. And there you go, suddenly we have a backpack. So I really love that. It's such a great feature, you guys. So let's go ahead and jump onto the packing portion of this video. I do have this bag packed up for myself and my 3-year-old who is potty trained. And we just have it packed for a quick trip out to, let's say, one of our favorite stores around town. So let's start with the bottle pockets. As I mentioned, these actually hold quite a bit, but the more you fill up the inside of the bag, the less room you have on the outside of the bag, and vice versa. So if you put like 2 large bottles on the side pockets, that is going to take up the inside room a little bit. So keep that in mind. On this side here, I have my iPhone 11 Max Pro, and this is just in the left pocket here so that I can easily access this if I need to answer a call or something or get directions. On the other side, I just have my Swell bottle. This is a traveler bottle, and you guys, if you own one of these, you know that they're pretty wide. So I have one of these in here. It's just got some water in it for me. And that is all that I have on the outside of the bag in those bottle pockets there. So let's go through the front pocket here. The zippers on this bag are nice and smooth, which is great. So in here, I'll show you guys just a little bit of what it looks like. It's not a huge pocket, but it's just enough to hold your necessities. And as you guys know, I am a minimalist packer. So these types of pockets are actually really great for me. I like to put small set pieces and things in there. So in this little pouch here, this is a jujube small set piece in the linen color. And I did want to mention, if you guys see anything in this video that you like, I would love if you would shop through my links. I will link them down below for you. So in this pouch here, I have our masks. I have one for myself and one for my son down in there as well. Next to that, I have my wallet. This is a jujube Be Charged. It's just a very slim wallet, which is perfect for minimalists like me. I love it. Next to that, I have my keys, which are pretty big and they fit in there really great. But that's just a really great pocket for things you want to grab quickly and easily, and now it's empty, so I don't know if you guys can see very well. You can also see the lining is a very light khaki color, which is great, which means you can see your things pretty easily. Don't have to worry about it being a big black hole in there, so I like that. Now let's go on to the inside. Normally I would move this bag to my chair and show you guys from a top view, but the way this bag opens is a little bit different. So you have the double zipper opening here, which I wanted to show you guys. I just love these little split pools. I think they're really cute. Such a cute little detail. So let's pull it down like this. So this is how I have it packed. You guys can see pretty well without me moving the bag what I have in here. And when I have it all empty, I will go through what the bag looks like empty as well. So in the front here, you have a loose pocket. It's on the very front of the bag here on the inside. And I love open pockets because you can just fill it up with whatever you need. But this bag actually came with a little change pad. So if you have a newborn or a toddler that you are still changing, you have a nice included change pad. It's a pretty decent size and it's slightly padded. It feels like there's a little bit of foam in there, so it's not a super hard surface, but it's also pretty collapsible. And it comes with this little Velcro piece too, and it's pretty lightweight and easy to store in your bag if you need to. This is also great to keep in the very back of your bag if you're not using that pocket to hold your straps. So that is included. Another piece that is included with this bag that you may or may not want to use, I chose not to because I have my own wet bag that I like, but you do have a clear plastic wet bag that kind of folds over the top here so you can put wet things in there. So back to the inside here. So you do have that open pocket there. You have two elastic bottle pockets, one on each side of the bag in here. You have a generous amount of open space in the bottom of the bag. You also have two insulated bottle pockets back there as well. And you have a zipper back there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through the front and middle things first, and then I will go through the back pockets. So in the very front here, this front pocket, I have a medium set piece in the linen color by Jujube. And in here, I just have some toys for my son. Now, if you guys know him well from watching us on Instagram, he absolutely loves numbers, and this comes from a little Duplo number train set. So we have all of the numbers, all of them. And he loves these, and he can build with them and play with them because he just loves number blocks on TV. So that is our little toddler pocket in this bag. I also have this iPod. This is full of educational games, numbers, letters, all that stuff. So this just keeps him a little bit busy when we're out and about. So that's all I had in that front pocket. In the middle section here, I have a large set piece in the linen color. In here, I just have some wipes and I have a wet bag. I also have the medium-sized pouch by Lily Jade in here. This has a change of clothes for my son. I'm just gonna tell you what's in here since it's a clear pouch, which I love. But this color really complements that Jujube linen color, and I thought it looked so pretty with the Bodomint Joni backpack. So in here I have a pair of socks, a pair of underwear, a long sleeve t-shirt, and some jeans back there as well. So just in case he has an accident that we weren't expecting, we have a change of clothes. Now this bag is getting a little bit more empty so you can see a little bit better, but I didn't have anything in this side bottle pocket over here. If you remember, that is where I had my bottle on the outside of the bag, so that really took up the space on the inside on this side. But over here, I was able to put my son's drink. So this is a Camelback bottle full of water for him. We love these, they don't leak. They are just awesome, I highly recommend them. Now let's get a little closer to the back of the bag there. So this is the back of the Joni. You can see you have a zippered pocket back here, so let's go through that first. And there I just have a small set piece. This is in the Jujube Kawaii Carnival print. In here I just have my things. I have lip gloss, chapstick, a mirror, folding hairbrush, and some lotion down in there. Just a little bag for me. That's all that I had back there, but it's a decent sized pocket. Now moving on to these pockets back here. These are great pockets if you have a bottle-fed baby or you are trying to tote around breast milk. These will keep your bottles cool or warm however you have them set at that time. So these are just great for that. I personally like to use them for snacks and things. So that's what I have in there right now. So on this pocket here, I have a Go-Go Squeeze. And I also have some nuts down in there for me. On this side here, I have fruit snacks, yogurt raisins, and a granola bar. But like I said, you guys have space back here. If you wanted to have 2 bottles back there, that is a great place for those. And if you don't want to keep anything like food back here, you can definitely use it for other stuff. You can keep your phone in there, your keys, lots of other things. So that's all that I had in this bag, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and show you real quick because there is a lot of space down in there. It's just difficult to show you the way this bag is made, but hopefully you can see. You have quite a bit of space down in there. So that is the inside of the Joni backpack. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Make sure you go and check out Bodomint on their website. I linked their website in the description below for you guys. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite feature on this bag was. Thanks for watching!